Hey guys, this is Advocate Shivangi here from Law Flitter. I am a advocate and corporate counsel and High Court counsel in Bombay High Court. Hi, I would like to give my testimonial to Sangeeta Mishra as a Vastu consultant. She is a fabulous Vastu consultant. I purchased one product from her, Money Pyramid, and I had one problem. My client was not giving my money, and it was a recovery issue in 2020. And I purchased one money pyramid from her, and within 24 days my client released my 4 lakhs 25,000. So it's really great कि she recommended me such product and I got a result. The second thing, I purchased one mobile pyramid from her, and it has a tremendous result about clutter, because actually many people they are calling me just for taking the advice on the free of cost. But now I'm getting a call, and which is converted into my clientels. So I would like to recommend her product to each and every snow member to please purchase mobile pyramid from her. And on the try and error basis you will come to know about the how many calls you are getting about your business, and it is converting into the full-fledged, you can say, the deal. So Sangeeta Mishra, all the best for your future. You are always darling friend and as well as the best business person. So thank you so much for all your help, your remedies, and your, you can say, recommendations. Thank you, Sangeeta, and all the best for your this presentation. Hi, once again, Advocate Shivangi from Law Letter. कायदे में रहोगे तो फायदे में रहोगे.